There. There. I want a picture.
You want to do another one, Luna?
Yeah.
You done? You colored it. Here, get the back.
What is that?
The dinosaur.
Dinosaur? Oh. There. I'm done. Now this one's a knockout.
A knockout, huh? Let me see your knockout picture. Let me see.
This is a knockout.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. He's got a pretty red tail there.
I want to play with this.
Okay. Well, good job today.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Look.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job today, Titus. I think you did a good job today. Want to high five me? You did a good job. We had so much fun coloring and doing your alphabets. You want to still color now? Or do you want to do something else?
Not that on picture. Picture.
You done? Okay. I'll keep it for you, unless you want to color some more. You want to color some more? Or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Picture. Picture.